If you're the purchasing manager at a manufacturing plant, you know having a trusted partner makes all the difference. That's why, hands down, you count on Grainger for auto reordering. With on-time restocks, your team will have the cut-resistant gloves they need at the start of their shift. And you can end your day knowing they've got safety well in hand. Call 1-800-GRAINGER, click Grainger.com, or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
This episode is brought to you by our special Patreon producer, Rustin Henry. And you too can become a Patreon producer by going to patreon.com and finding us at Mortalverse Audio Dramas. There you'll also get exclusive production updates, early access to episodes, and shout-outs on the show. Now, on to the episode.
Things had truly gone from bad to worse. Deadshot unleashed a round from his rifle that hit the massive ape in the shoulder, causing him to drop Harley and holler out in pain.
I've got her.
Damn it, Deadshot, you follow my orders!
Your orders almost got Harley killed.
As Deadshot chambered another round, the ape bolted into the jungle brush and suddenly was gone.
Anyone have eyes?
Back to back, now!
Oh, hey. Thanks for saving me there, Deadshot.
Don't thank me yet.
Oh, yeah. We should probably worry about the 7-foot-tall gorilla trying to kill us.
And it sounds like there's more than just one of them now.
Still think shooting him was a good idea?
Shut up and get ready to shoot.
Deadshot. Multiple subjects surrounding the area.
Yeah, Wally. I got that.
Huh?
You must realize none of you are making it out of this jungle alive.
You just said Waller.
Not now, Arrow.
You've had communication this entire time?
Hey, fellas, I think they're getting closer.
Listen, we'll talk about it later.
There won't be a later if we don't do something.
The bat clearly has the highest brain function of the group. Hey, Marmot, I'll kill you last.
Or you don't have to kill any of us if you don't want to.
Oh, we definitely want to.
What the hell? What's happening?
Deadshot? What are you doing?
When I looked back, I almost couldn't believe my eyes. Deadshot had dropped his weapon and was now punching himself across his face.
The one who shot me. Freud Lawton.
Oh, you two know each other?
He's a telepath.
Once I have my fun with you, I'll force you to turn that gun in on your friends, and then yourself.
Fight it, Deadshot.
I can't. I can't.
Deadshot. Put the pistol down or else...
Hey, watch where you're pointing that thing!
I'm sorry, Harley.
Lawton, drop the pistol now or you will be terminated. Christ, Harkness, get the button ready.
I'm sorry.
And why would we help you find them?
Because if you don't... I will melt the skin from your bones.
Stop it!
I will fashion the reptile's hide into new boots.
I said stop it!
And then I'll lock the frozen one in a box to keep my drinks cold.
I said stop it! Frost, ice the Count's wounds. Croc, get the guards.
There's a lot of wounds here.
Just do it!
It's been many years since somebody took me by surprise.
How the hell is he back up already?
Not human. Since one had the courage
to strike against me.
Count, can you stand?
No. No, I cannot. Since I felt challenged.
Listen, we just want to find our friends and leave.
Oh, we'll find them all right. Together.
Deadshot, drop the gun now, or I swear to God, I will.
He missed?
It's okay, Harley. I've got you.
He missed?
B-Man, you saved me?
It's what heroes do.
Useless primate!
Oh, look who's talking.
Ugh, you miserable little...
Primate?
Ugh!
Deadshot, you back at the wheel?
Yeah, you could say that. Harley, you alright?
I'm alright, but B-Man's bleeding. I think you hit him.
I'll push through. Is the ape dead?
Not yet.
Lawton, wait! The others! The trees around us were filled to the brim with apes, all looking down to their king, laying in a growing pool of blood on the ground.
I'll put a bullet in all of them. Stand back.
No! Let me talk to them. They're intelligent. They'll understand.
I'm on standby.
Your king, Grodd, he's still alive. You see my friend back there? She's a doctor. She can help him, but we need to act fast before he bleeds out.
They're moving.
It's okay. They're signaling us, telling us to follow them.
And we're gonna do it?
Now might also be a good time to remind you that I got my doctorate in psychology, not as a veterinarian.
You shut your mouth or I will slap the clown makeup off of you. They don't know that. At the least, it'll give us a place to stay tonight. Deadshot, help me get Batman up. We'll carry him.
This is a waste of time. We should run while their backs are turned. Have you forgotten the mission?
We do not leave each other behind.
Frost, how's Vertigo holding up?
He's breathing. That's about all I can say. Why would you even care, Canary? Hasn't Count Vertigo been the biggest thorn in your side for years?
Yeah, but that doesn't mean he deserved that.
I've seen that look before. Death took him to the edge.
What's the edge?
He pushed the Count as far as he could, took him to the edge of death, just to see the look in his eyes. The kind of look most only get to give once in their lives. At the end.
It's torture. He's trying to intimidate us.
Well, it's working.
Stop talking like that. Green Arrow and the others will be here soon enough, and...
And what? Shoot an arrow at him? Yeah, Harley's baseball bat is probably his secret weakness.
Cauldron didn't stand a chance. What chance do we have?
We aren't going after Teth Adam. Listen, the second they break free, we bolt for it. He's a king. He won't leave his kingdom.
And how do you know that?
Because while you were looking into Vertigo's eyes, I was looking into his. And what I saw will be his downfall. Pride.
Have you ever searched yourself online? The results can be surprising, sometimes unsettling, let me tell you. Your phone number, home address, and even details about your family are out there, whether you agreed to it or not. That's because data brokers are collecting and selling your information to marketing scammers, basically anyone who's willing to pay. It's the reason these robocallers know your name and why ads seem to track you across every screen. It is a digital nightmare. Well, Aura could be your solution. You cannot conceive of how many different scummy data organizations there are out there. When I used this service, I was shocked at finding out there are hundreds of places my info could be found. Hundreds! And Aura can shut a lot of that down. And if your identity's ever stolen, you're backed up by $5 million in insurance and 24/7 US-based fraud support to help you recover quickly. Look, other services charge about the same, but they only cover 1-2 areas maybe. With Aura, you get it all. Data broker removal, credit and identity monitoring, device protection, fraud support. It's all in one simple app. Aura removes what's already exposed, protects what's not, and puts you back in control. Right now, you can try Aura free for 14 days when you visit aura.com/remove. That's enough time for Aura to start removing your personal information from these data broker sites. Sign up today at aura.com/remove and get the peace of mind that your privacy, identity, and finances are safeguarded. That's aura.com/remove. Certain terms apply. See the site for details.
How much farther? My legs are killing me.
Your legs? Who's been lugging Batman this whole time?
Well, turns out when you get shot at by a friend, your legs start to tremble.
Harley, listen. That wasn't me.
I know. It's just that at the moment, I thought you couldn't miss.
Me neither.
When were you gonna tell me that you were still in communication with Waller?
You are on a need-to-know basis.
I am the leader of this squad!
Well, it seems like you've been demoted. Look around you, Queen. Cauldron's dead, along with the rest of the team probably. We're nowhere near the city, following a bunch of guerrillas God knows where.
Guys, we're here!
She was right. The pair of apes pulling Garrod behind them peeled back the brush and revealed a dazzling barrage of lights. Fires and dozens of wooden huts, all tended to by gorillas, chimps, monkeys of every kind.
Holding the door open? Oh, what a gentleman!
I don't like this. It seems like a place you enter, but never leave.
Guess you'll have to stay sharp then. We wouldn't be here at all if you hadn't shot Batman.
Whatever. Just get us to the nearest fire. He's not getting any lighter.
We're setting you down, okay, Batman? How are you feeling?
Been better. I can feel it between my ribs.
Harley, go help the gorillas with Garrod. We'll look after him.
But I don't know.
I'll go with her. I have some apologizing to do anyway.
Hey, if anything happens...
You'll hear the gunfire.
Right. Here, keep pressure on this, Batman.
Am I going to die?
No. Of course not. Batman doesn't die, right?
Right. But if I did, that wouldn't be so bad.
Why would you say that?
They're waiting for me.
Who?
My wife. My daughter.
That's right. Tell me about them.
I was married for 14 years. 14 beautiful years. My Beth. She used to meet me outside of my base.
Your base? You were military?
Navy. Served 2 tours overseas. And not a day went by when I didn't sneak out to see her. Eventually, I was able to get her a ticket back home. Back to Gotham after my time was over.
How'd you do it?
Do what?
How'd you manage the courage to ask her to spend forever with you?
That was the easy part. When she's all you think about, when fulfilling all of her needs means fulfilling all of your own, you're ready.
Right. Putting her needs above your own.
Right. I took up a detective position in Gotham City's police department. She helped at a floral shop downtown. We had a little one-room apartment we were renting. The train ran by every night, at 2 o'clock. Shook the whole place.
And your daughter?
My Grace. The brightest kid you'd ever meet. Clever, funny, a personality you'd never forget.
And you haven't forgotten.
Not for a second. She used to do this thing every day when I got home from work. She'd breathe on the window, then use her finger to draw a smiley face. Then on my side, I'd draw one back.
She must have loved that.
She did. She wanted to be a cop, just like her old man. But me and my wife knew it was too dangerous, especially in a town like Gotham. Cops there don't tend to have the longest lifespan, especially the good ones.
And you got in with the wrong people?
I wasn't dirty, if that's what you're getting at.
Right, but you were cracking down on those that didn't like the pressure.
Salvatore Moroni. I had photos, hard evidence that would put him in jail for enough time for the oceans to dry up.
But he found you out.
And by the time I got home, the fire department was just clearing the area.
I'm so sorry, Batman.
Tommy. Call me Tommy.
Tommy. You saved my life. You saved Harley's life. Your wife and daughter, I'm sure that they...
That's what heroes do.
Well, then by all accounts, you're a hero in my book, Tommy. Tommy?
Arrow Canary, Part 5. What Heroes Do. Written, directed, edited, and produced by Matthew Dawson. The cast for this episode by order of appearance include Adam Korenman as Green Arrow, James Gavsey as Batman, Joey Sourless as Deadshot, Dante Majors as Gorilla Grodd, Ify as Harley Quinn, Tiani Ma as Amanda Waller, Crystal Storm as Black Canary, Damon Alums as Black Adam, Max Adrian Burton as Count Vertigo, Stacy Clifton as Killer Frost, and Ryan Yoshitani as Killer Croc. If you would like to connect with us, please find us on Twitter at Mortalverse. We are also on YouTube at Mortalverse Audio Dramas. This production is the effort of Mortalverse Audio Dramas and its volunteering associates. It is in no way affiliated with or representative of Warner Brothers or DC Comics and their characters. This project was created by the fans, for the fans, to show our appreciation towards this franchise. This project has been released for free. Thank you to everyone who helped bring this project to life. Mortalverse Audio Dramas will always be grateful for your time and dedication to this project. Dedicated to Kevin Dawson.
If you're a podcast host, listen up, this one's for you. My name is Allie Jackson. I'm the host of Finding Mr. Height, a dating and relationship podcast that I've been doing for 4 years now, sharing my positive and practical approach to dating that's built on my own life experience. And I wanted to share another experience that I've had, my secret behind monetizing my show. It's called Red Circle, and I was just telling my colleague about how much I love their platform. With Red Circle, not only am I getting a seamless hosting experience, but I also love the support I receive in ad sales. It's not just typical ad sales either. It's targeted opportunities based on my show and my life. And the platform is super simple. You just set your preferences and Red Circle matches you with sponsors that align with your show. You can vet every opportunity and their platform gives you great analytics. More recently too, my Red Circle team has brought me opportunities outside of my podcast on social media to really augment the podcast partnerships, bring them full circle. I just can't recommend them enough. If you want to give it a try, go to redcircle.com to get your free trial. That's redcircle.com for a free trial.